Some people think you need years of experience or a fancy degree to become a social media manager. No, you don't. I'm going to show you how to build a $3,000 a month social media management service using AI in 60 days. I'll walk you through it using a hypothetical fitness gym called Titan Training. This could be your client. Apply this system, and they could go from abandoned social media to generating $4,500 in new revenue in 60 days. Before AI, this would have taken months of trial and error. Today, the only barrier is knowing the system and having the right tools. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what tools to use, how much to charge, and the exact sequence to land your first paying client. Why this business model works. Most content creators monetize through YouTube, sponsorships, or affiliate links. Service businesses are different. You're selling to businesses with money who need results, not entertainment. Take Titan Training. Owner Marcus needs help with Instagram because he's losing potential customers to other gyms. He needs leads and memberships, which means actual revenue. At $3,000 for month 1, they could get 12 new members from Instagram. At 100 plus per member monthly, that's 1,200 plus in new recurring revenue from a $3,000 investment. That's 40% ROI in month 1, and it's recurring. They won't cancel that contract. They might sign a 6-month deal and ask to upgrade to premium. Your client makes money from your work, so they happily keep paying you. It's recurring, predictable revenue, not dependent on algorithms or audience growth. The industry standard is $500 to $5,000 monthly for social media management. With modern AI tools, your margins are 95 and 98% per client. The AI tools that make it possible in 2026, Monica AI, $25 a month. Access to Claude 4.5, ChatGPT 5, and Gemini 3 in one place. Different models excel at different tasks. Canva Pro, $13 a month. Thousands of professional templates optimized for social media. Brand Kit saves client colors, fonts, and logos for automatic consistency. Professional posts in 3-5 minutes. Social Pilot, $30 a month. Manages all client accounts and scheduling. Analyzes engagement data for optimal posting times. Bulk scheduling uploads 20 posts in 20 minutes. Generates white label reports in 15 minutes. Leonardo AI, $10 a month. Generates 5 custom branded images in 60 seconds when templates don't fit. Total tool cost, $78 a month. At $3,000 a month per client, only $78 goes to tools. That's 7.4% profit margin. Compare that to hiring a VA at $1,200 to $1,500 per month. You're spending $78 and delivering better results. These 4 tools are your entire tech stack for running a multi-client, high-margin social media management business. All right, so you've got your tools. Now, how do you actually use them to create content at scale? I'm going to walk you through exactly how you'd handle Titan Training. This is the system that actually works. Step 1. Strategy and audit. When you first take on a client like Titan Training, you don't just jump into content creation. You spend an hour understanding their business. You could ask questions like, who's your ideal customer? What's your competition doing? What would success look like? Then you audit their current Instagram. Let's say they have 200 followers, posts from months ago, 0 comments. Bio doesn't have a call to action, profile looks abandoned. This is your client profile. Using Social Pilot's AI content suggestions, you analyze what types of fitness content are trending in their area and demographic. It flags that transformation stories, strength achievements, and no judgment messaging are outperforming generic workout tips. Armed with that data, you create a strategy specific to Titan Training's audience and market. Step 2. Content calendar creation with Monica AI. With Monica AI, you create a 60-day content calendar for Titan Training. You use ChatGPT 5 model because it's better at strategic planning. You type into Monica AI the info you gathered, then, in a few minutes, you have a complete calendar with specific content angles for each week. That's a 3-4 hour job manually. With Monica AI, refined and approved by the client by end of day. Step 3. Batch content creation using Monica AI and Canva. Every Monday morning for Titan Training, you batch create 2 weeks of content. Using Monica AI, specifically Claude for emotional tone, you generate captions. You get 20 captions in 3 minutes. You customize them with Titan Training specific details. Then you open Canva Pro. This is where your design work happens and it's fast. Here's a real Canva workflow for a Titan training transformation post. 1. You open Canva and select the Instagram post template. 2. You search for before and after transformation in Canva's template library. 3. You pick a professional template with strong contrast. 4. You customize it. Change the colors to Titan Training's deep red and silver using Canva's brand kit. You set this up once. 5. You upload the members' before and after photos into the template's designated areas. 6. You add the Monica AI caption text to the template. 7. You make sure their logo is prominent. 8. You adjust font sizes for readability. Total time, 5 minutes. You do this for 20 posts. That's 100 minutes of work. But because you're using Canva templates optimized for fitness and social media, each one looks professional, branded, and algorithm-friendly. For posts where you want completely custom imagery, like a motivational quote with a custom background, you'd open Leonardo AI or another AI image generator and generate it. Maybe 2 to 3 posts per batch need custom imagery. The rest are member photos plus Canva customization, which is faster. Step 4 is where most content calendars completely fall apart. You load all 20 Canva-designed posts into Social Pilot. You add the captions, set them to schedule across Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, adjusting the design slightly for TikTok's vertical format in Canva if needed. Social Pilot's bulk upload means 20 minutes maximum to upload and schedule everything. Social Pilot spaces them out across optimal times automatically. Step 5. Community management. You spend 30 to 45 minutes daily responding to comments and engagement through Social Pilot's unified inbox. This is where real relationships happen, and it can't be automated. When someone comments, "I want to get fit, but I'm intimidated by gyms," you can respond personally like this. Titan Training is specifically built for people in your exact situation. We have intro classes on Tuesday at 5 p.m. where you'll meet people just starting. DM me, and I'll walk you through what to expect. That real connection gets signups. Step 6. Monthly analytics and reporting. Once a month, you pull analytics from Social Pilot. You generate a white label report showing Titan Training's growth, engagement rates, top performing posts, probably the Canva transformation posts, and new inquiries from social media. Here is how the total time investment as a social media manager for Titan Training could look like. This is scalable. By month 3, what started at 22 hours becomes 12 hours because Monica AI, Canva templates, and Social Pilot are doing the heavy lifting. Here's what nobody tells you about client acquisition. It's not complicated. It's just uncomfortable. Most people avoid sales because they fear rejection. Titan Training is a perfect example. Last post was months old. 150 followers, 0 engagement. These businesses know they need social media but haven't figured it out. They're your ideal client. Make a list of 50 to 100 businesses like this using Google Maps, Instagram, or Facebook. Here's how to reach potential clients using a multi-channel approach. Day 0. Make a LinkedIn connection request. Day 2. Send a 30-second Loom video, point out something specific you like and offer to help. Day 6. Write an email with a case study. Day 10. Follow-up message. Day 14. Final touch. If no response, move on. Do this sequence with 5 to 10 businesses at a time. Maybe 1 in 5 will respond positively. That one is your first client. What to say in the sales conversation? Ask questions first. How are you currently using social media? What would success look like for you? What's your biggest frustration? Listen more than you talk. They'll tell you exactly what they need. Then position yourself as the solution. And last, show your 3 pricing options and let them choose. You're not charging for time. You're charging for results and the transformation you create. This is how a 3-tier pricing model could look. Tier 1, starter package, $1,200 to $1,500 a month. Tier 2, growth package, $2,500 to $3,500 a month. And Tier 3, premium package, $5,000 to $7,500 a month. For Titan Training, the growth package makes sense. 3 platforms, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, consistently Canva-designed posts, weekly check-ins, and monthly reporting. But how to communicate pricing? Don't say 20 posts per month, community management, and monthly reporting for $2,500. Instead, say, I'm going to help you grow your Instagram by 200 to 300 followers per month. I'm going to increase engagement through Canva-designed posts that stop the scroll. Similar gyms have gone from 150 to 280 followers in 60 days and gotten 12 new member signups worth 1,200 plus in recurring revenue. For that strategic guidance and execution, we invest $2,500 to $3,000 per month. You're selling outcomes, not hours. This is the pricing psychology you can use. Lead with premium, $7,500, to anchor high, then growth, $3,000, then starter, $1,500. Never discount heavily. Offer a lower tier instead. Offer payment plans for premium use case studies to justify premium pricing. The client shopping on price alone is a nightmare client. You don't want them. It's not exciting, and it won't make you rich overnight. But it's a legitimate business model that works because it solves a real problem for real businesses that have real money to spend. You're not trying to be famous. You're helping businesses like Titan Training grow their social media presence and turn followers into customers. In the process, you make yourself serious money. A client like Titan Training could go from abandoned Instagram to 1,800 plus new monthly revenue. You can do this for 3 to 5 businesses in your area. You're ready this week. Let's go.